you guys are running a build your own nature harmony station workshop, and you've been running these for how long now?
Oh, about 2.5 years. We've actually only done about, I'd say, six of them.
Yep.
But yeah, we've been doing them, and it's a good way of getting a whole bunch of harmony stations into the area because it's a community event, so everyone gets to learn how they're built, what they do, how they work, and they build one themselves. They put their intention in, and then a whole bunch of harmony stations hits that area. So the best impact for a region to do a workshop. So there is more harmony stations in that area. Everyone can work together then. Like for instance, if you got a rain event, you could all put alcohol on top of the NHS 2.0 to remove some of the clouds. Or if you wanted to bring rain, you can put sugar water on top of the NHS 2.0 to get more clouds. So you can the community that everyone meets at the workshop, and then they can all sort of work together and do the weather work together.
Yeah, cool. Do you ever use vinegar? Because I've heard that that's a thing as well to help clear the sky.
Yeah, I think vinegar's crap compared to what an Orgone beam can do, or
Yeah,
what a NHS 2 can do. It's like a bit of a yeah. Like to me, it does a little bit, but not much, and it's with a harmony station, it's longer lasting. It's always working. Whereas the vinegar, you've got to do the process and it works for a short time and then it's gone again. So
yeah.
yeah.
That's good to know. I never tried it,
Mm.
but I've seen people trying it.
Yeah, look, it
So,
does work for a short time. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So you've got one workshop coming up in March, the 8th, and it'll be at my family's property in Beechworth in Victoria. Ooh.
Yeah.
So can you
It's
tell us
good to
a little bit about that?
yeah, well we're driving down from Northern Rivers actually. We're based up in New South Wales, Northern New South Wales and Sydney as well. So we'll be coming through down to Beechworth on our way to a muster at Lake Bolac. It's the 8:32 muster. And I think we've got another talk planned, which is my place talk in Melbourne. So it'll be about a lot of driving, and we're going to take all the Harmony Station kits and the Orgone beams and the 3.0s with us. And the whole idea is to, yeah, do the workshop at your place, get as many people there as possible,
Yeah.
and then
And also, so in our workshops, how we always introduce, so we set an intention, which people always love, setting intentions. You can also write them on each layer and how we build them. So that's always great fun for people to, yeah, just to be hands-on. And also, so how we run them is we always work in pairs. And yeah, so we team up, we build one harmony station at a time, and it becomes like a really beautiful process and the teamwork. And then we also will talk about orgone energy, what it is, and how it works, the layering, the organic, inorganic products that we use, and how it accumulates the energy and circulates it. We also talk about Agnihotra, and
mm,
because we do Agnihotra rituals and we explain what that is, we talk about the ether and
structured water.
yeah, structured water.
So
Yeah.
it's not
Mm.
just a Nature Harmony Station workshop. It's all things orgone, structured water, educating people how to use it, what to do, and it should be about a 6 hour process.
Yep. Got that.
Yeah, so it's good so far. We haven't had a lot of traction in your area of Beechworth, so we're inviting people to come from out of the area. Beechworth's a beautiful place to visit, beautiful town, lots of old buildings and stuff to see. So come down, have a bit of a weekend and do the workshop if you feel for it.
Yeah, I definitely agree. It's definitely needed in Victoria. Like, I don't think
Mm.
you've got many harmony stations set up in Victoria.
No, we don't actually.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
while Sabine talks, I'll
Yeah. So how
see if I can
we
pull up a map.
We have in total about 150 harmony stations, I think, in Australia. So, but yeah, and worldwide we have 15,000, so which is great numbers. But we definitely need more, and especially you just had the fires in Victoria, and yeah, a lot of dryness and the harshness of the weather conditions. So it's going to be great to attract people down in
Yeah.
Beechworth and share the love.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
it's always a
So
fun day. Yeah, it's
yeah,
great.
yeah. I was going to say because it can be off-putting, I suppose, with the price of their workshop. So can you just
Mm.
explain like why the price is, and also how it can benefit multiple people? It's not just, the person who makes it, it's not just them.
True.
Like, what's the
Yeah, yeah.
coverage of the station?
All right. Yeah, so normally if you were to buy the kit on the website, it'd be around about $600, right? And then you got to build the kit. You still need to get a pipe, a 1.5 meter pipe, and a bucket. And then you have to watch the video and read the manual. So the whole idea is this is just for an extra $150, which covers us to come there and physically do it. We teach how to do it. So they don't have to watch the video, they don't have to read the manual. All the questions are there, all the answers, of course. And we come and we physically do it and teach at the same time. So it's much better value because you get to hands-on experience, learning about it, getting educated about it.
And we provide all the materials, so we'll bring everything down. Everything is provided for, all the tools that you need, and yeah, so it's
Hmm.
it's beautiful.
I've just
Yeah.
pulled up the map of nature harmony stations in Australia, and I don't know if you can see that, but see how they're mostly all on the coast
Yep.
and around the coastal areas,
Yeah.
but there's not a lot inland, and I mean we've seen much better weather on the coast in Sydney and the Northern Rivers region, all the areas where there's a lot of them, but inland there's not a lot, so they're still getting drought in some cases. They're getting, extreme weather. So we're trying to sort of bring it in now and get more inland.
Mm.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely beneficial. Like I know, I'm new to Orgone and learn everything about, the energies but I just, it's like a knowing for me, so I understand a lot
Mm.
more, and I feel
Mm.
like this is so beneficial for everyone. Like Urs has talked about, it's helped the neighbors, that they were
Yeah,
fighting, and
Exactly.
it's helped
yeah,
them to live next to each other, but also,
yeah,
the gardens, the animals. I've seen
that's right.
videos of people standing in with bees being attracted to
Mm.
them, and kangaroos and that sort of thing. So,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it's
Yeah,
yeah,
it's very much not just for the weather. It's for harmony around the home, harmony within nature.
Mm.
I mean, there's what more wildlife attracted to these areas where the harmony stations are. The bird life picks up. You get more just beautiful clouds and natural phenomena happening in the weather. Yeah, just a much better energy field, and the impact of sometimes your neighbors.
Exactly.
Um,
But that's what Reich, how he started with being a psychoanalyst and then working with people and the stagnations in the body and the body armoring.
mm,
So and as you, said that Urs also has his success stories where, farmers become neighbors again. And just generally, it's sort of, as within, so without, and vice versa. And so it's a beautiful process. Mm.
yeah.
yeah, so
And
we're
what's
really
the
hoping.
yeah, you go.
Oh, I was saying, yeah, we're really hoping to get a bunch of people there at your place and teach
Yeah,
you and your mum how to make one and get one at your mum's place and
I
hopefully,
should
yeah,
love
a bunch of
that.
people come. Yeah, it'd be good. Yeah.
Yeah, because she's lost a lot and a lot of people around here have lost a lot of crops, being
Mm.
a market gardener and that sort of thing. So it's definitely quite dry, but also very harsh conditions. There's animals and birds looking for
Mm.
water. Like a lot of places are quite dried up, and yeah, so
Oh, really?
definitely, yeah, so
Mm.
definitely keen to, yeah. get something happening here. And just even if people don't know what it's all about, even they just email you and get in touch,
Mm,
because could be something
yeah.
down the future.
Yeah.
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 Well, I mean, we've been doing this for 2.5 years now, and I'm still learning about orgone.
Yeah.
So many books on it and so much research out there, and it's not easy for people to understand. It's not what we're taught in school. It's very much etheric science and energy and yeah, it takes a bit to digest for some people, but the reality is there's over 60 years of orgonomy science.
Mm.
There's a dedicated institute. Where's that again?
That's in the USA
Oregon?
in Oregon. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. Since
Yeah.
1995.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, Wilhelm Reich's got so many books and we're as we dive into the teachings of Wilhelm Reich, Victor Schauberger, I mean, these guys had nature
Mm.
really figured out and they understood
Yeah,
the way it works and then everyone's kind of forgotten how in sync
that's right.
we are with nature and how we are a part of
That's
nature.
right. It's that
Yeah.
I guess the observing nature and working with nature's principles and bringing them in, and like the vertexing of the water, the spiraling motion of orgone and how it creates the torus field. And then yeah, recently we read that even Steiner and Schauberger, they had meetings, and I feel all these,
Mm,
yeah, as Brad said, the etheric science coming together
mm,
and yeah.
yeah.
Mm.
So anyone that's in
Fantastic.
the crystals, energy work, meditation, it's very much, I would say, all right down your alley. Working with this energy and also, yeah, we do land healing at Green Clean as well. And while we're in Beechworth, I intend to do a bit of that. Maybe we can do a bit of a land healing on your mum's property.
Yeah, I should
Um,
love that.
and if you said that she grows stuff as well, does she?
Yeah, so she's a market gardener, so she grows a lot of vegetables and
All right, cool,
supplying like our family with fruit and veg and
nice.
yeah, so it's
Well,
definitely needed.
I'll bring a bunch of Agni Hotcha and teach you guys how to use that in the garden, and then remind me to bring the snail repeller thing
Oh yes,
Right.
that'd be
to,
yeah, I've
to
been
keep
telling her
the
about that.
snails away. Yeah, yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
She's excited. She was on the fence, like not sure, it was a
Mm,
bit weird, a bit woo woo, and then
Mm.
I've been
yeah,
Mm.
talking to her about it as I was learning.
Yeah,
yeah.
And
yeah.
yeah, she's really interested. So if anyone
Mm,
that's thinking it's a bit weird and not sure, just yeah,
That's right.
have a look a bit
yeah,
more at what you guys do, because
yeah.
there's plenty of
Watch
evidence
our
and feedback.
videos.
Yeah,
Mm.
Yeah,
plenty of
all our videos we got with Urs and yeah, we've been building so much more information now to
Mm.
share with people, and thanks to you for all that
Mm.
too. Like
yeah,
we're now educating people more about
Yeah.
this. In the beginning, it was like, oh, what's that thing? How does that work? And now it's like
Mm.
we can actually help others more understand what orgone is, what structured
yeah,
water is. Yeah,
yeah. You got to start somewhere, I guess. And it's just being
exactly.
curious.
Mm.
Yeah.
Cool, awesome. All right, well, thank you for your time, and yeah, I'm looking forward to this workshop. It's gonna be awesome, and yeah, you
Yeah.
guys meet my mum.
Yeah. Yeah.
Be great. Yeah, thanks,
Yeah,
Billy.
Thanks for having us, Billy.
no worries.
Yeah.